In this video, we'll see how to convert the given string into its opposite case. That is, if a string is in uppercase, we'll be converting into lowercase and vice versa. So let's take string 1. So we are getting two strings from the user. So in first string, it is stored as str1. So str1 is equal to, let's take it as good morning. So as you can see, G and M are capital, the rest are small letters. Now we have I variable for the for loop, and in scanf we are getting the str1 value. In for loop, what we are doing is we are traversing from the 0th index till the last index. That is, str of I not equal to null means at the end of every string there will be a null character attached to it. So it won't be visible for us. Like if you print the string value, it won't be visible for us. But so every string value will be attached by a /0 means it is a null character. It will be attached at the end of the string. I is equal to /0 null character, then it will come out of the for loop. So that is what we mean by str1 of I not equal to null. Inside for loop, we are checking if str of I is greater than or equal to A. That means if the first letter, that is G, is greater than or equal to small a, and condition G is less than or equal to small z. This means that the given letter or the alphabet at the particular index is between A and Z, or it is A or Z. That means small letters. We are giving small letters here. Is the given letter equal to any letters in between A and Z? We have also given equal to, so it will check A and Z also. So if this condition is true, that means if you check G, it does not belongs to small letter. So next, if you check O, small o, it is greater than or equal to A. O comes after small a, O comes before small z. So both these conditions are true. Only if both are true, we'll enter into the if condition. What we're doing is we'll be converting that particular letter into the opposite case, and later we're printing that value. So let's see how are we converting this character into the opposite case. So we know that ASCII values for small a to small z is 97 to 122. That is, for small a it is 97, for small b it is 98, it goes on, and for small z it is 122, it goes on like that. And for capital A to Z it is 65 to 90. For capital A it is 65, it goes on till capital Z, that is 90. So here what we are doing is, if it is a small a, we'll be converting into capital A. So from 97 to get 65, what we have to do is we have to minus 32 from 97, then we'll get the capital value. So if it is a small letter, that means if the str1 of I belongs to A to Z, then we'll be subtracting 32 from that value, from that alphabet's ASCII value. If it is greater than or equal to capital A and less than or equal to capital Z, that means it belongs to capital letters, then we'll be adding 32 to get the small letter. That why we are adding 32 is the ASCII values of capital letters are smaller, it is 65 and to 90, and ASCII values of small letters are greater than capital letters, that is, it goes like 97 to 122. So if we have A here, what we'll be doing is A minus 32. Doing this, we get capital A, that is, A ASCII value of A is 97. If we do minus 32, we get 65, which is equal to capital A. And if you have capital Z as the character, then what we will be doing is capital Z plus 32 will be doing, that is 90 plus 32, which is 122, which is equal to small z. So this is one method to convert characters from lowercase to uppercase, or vice versa. So minus 32 is from lowercase to uppercase, plus 32 is uppercase to lowercase. So these are the two things to keep in mind. We have another method, that is, we are entering string 2 and we are storing it in str2, then we are printing slash, and this is because to get the like after getting one string value, there will be a null character, right? So the next value, it shouldn't go into that str2. So for that, for a confirmation, we are printing new line, and next statement will get executed automatically. So here what we are doing is str2 we are converting into lowercase. So if suppose it is a lowercase, we have two functions, strlwr. This is from uppercase to lowercase. That is converting a string to lowercase. Whether it is an upper or lower, it will convert everything to lowercase. And if you want to convert a string to uppercase directly, you can give strupr. So these two functions are there in the string.h header file. So we have to use that also. So either you can go with the old for loop method, or we can use the functions directly. Now let's run this code. So we are entering string 1, that is morning. We have converted, that is M was in capital, it has been converted to small, and the remaining were in small letters, it has converted to capital. Now we are entering, this was done using for loop method. Now using the second method, if you see hello, so the whole string, whether it is small or capital, using strlwr, we have converted everything to small, and using strupr, we have converted everything to capital. In Java, what we're doing is, in str named string value, we're getting the string from the user, and we are converting that string to character array. To convert a string to character array, what we have to do is first declare a character array, that is char of type array, and the character array name equal to the string name dot to char array function. This will be using to char array. So string name dot to char array converts a string to character array. Now this string has been split up into an array and stored in this character array chstr. Now we are traversing each and every letter in the character array, that is character array of I starting with 0, while using is uppercase or is lowercase, or 2 uppercase and 2 lowercase. Because all these functions are from the class named character, we have to use that class name dot the function name. So character dot is uppercase of that value. So we are checking if G is in uppercase. It is in uppercase, so we are using ternary operator here, that is if it is in uppercase, we'll be converting to lowercase, else the colon means else, it will be converting into uppercase. So either you can use if else or the ternary operator. This completes in a single line, so this would be easy. It can be used. So as the letter is capital, it is uppercase, then we'll be converting to lowercase. So is 2 lowercase and 2 uppercase we can use for converting, and is uppercase and is lowercase you can use for checking. And later, so everything has been converted to upper or lower, to the opposite case we have converted. Now it is stored in the character array. Now to print that character array, either you can use the for loop to print each and every character, like giving the for loop and printing chstr of I for every letter, we have to print it separately, or you can convert the character array back to the string. To do that, what we are doing is, either you can store str new is equal to new string of that character array name. So to define a new string, we have to give the new keyword. So here directly we are not assigning the string value to anything, we are directly printing the string value. So giving the new keyword, it creates a new string of the type string, and inside the string we are giving the character array name. So character array will be converted to the type string, which is new. So to create that, we are giving the new keyword. Now we'll execute this and see. So enter the string morning. M is capital, it is converted to small, and the other things are converted. So we have used next function here. If you use next line, you can get a sentence from the user. So we give good morning. It is converted correctly.